Hey guys, this is the Dev Master over here, and today I'm gonna tackle one of the questions which are quite often asked in the Unity forums and various other sites which I've encountered. And this is a simple question based on gravity reversing and bouncing using gravity reversing techniques. So, Unity, okay. Let's start with the arrangement of the tabs. I always prefer this arrangement of this hierarchy model that is seen, game, project, assets, all plays in this kind of model, because this is kind of like ideal model which most of the Unity guys prefer. So Unity is actually an awesome tool, and let's start learning it. Yeah, this is for like basic guys. You can understand the basic first. First, let's create a game object cube, which is basically having all those default collider setting channel. So we need a 2D game, or we are creating a first step of 2D game. So let's delete or remove the box collider component, because we are gonna take physics 2D and add a rigid body 2D to it. So it basically becomes a rigid body. It's controlled by physics forces. Over here, when you look at the output screen or the game screen, we can see a problem. It's not a problem actually, it's basically a technical glitch. It's not a glitch actually, sorry. It is like this cube is appearing black. It's because of no proper lighting. So you just have to go to render settings. You just have to change the ambient light, which is now black. So you just have to change it into white, so that your cube looks perfectly normal under no light conditions. The ambient light is now set to white. Now what you have to do is, we have to create, or let's go to cube itself, rigid body 2D. Let's add one more component, because our aim is to make this guy bounce in a reverse gravity using reverse gravity. So let's have a box collider 2D function, which we can easily get it from the add component from physics 2D. Yeah, here we go. We have a box collider 2D now, and what should we do next is take another game object, create another game object, which is basically nothing but chord or plane. It's your choice actually. You can actually import a sprite or something. Yeah, let's discuss about sprite later. Sprite handle. Yeah, so this is the start of something awesome. So chord, first thing which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the scale. Yeah, it feels awesome, right? 2 means it's like that. You can actually change the y coordinates, it's your wish. So let's make it into 20 for convenience. Let's keep it down. First, let's look at the condition where gravity is followed. Okay, remember I'm taking it 16:9 aspect ratio, because it feels, most of the mobile devices have it, and I didn't build it, I know that. So okay, I'm gonna build it to Android afterwards. So basically, let's start with this. We have a chord setting. Now let's add a component, which is box collider 2D, because this what's saying can't add due to component. Okay, because we have a mesh collider. I told you in the start, we have to look at all this stuff, remove the mesh collider. Now we are free to add the box collider stuff, since yeah, here we go. We have a box collider. Now we have a box collider over in the cube, and we have it here in the chord, so they will collide. That much we know. Now the cube is having a gravity scale of 1. Look at here, gravity scale of 1, which means the gravity is going to act downwards. So I'm going to create a physics 2D material. Remember, you might go and import a package which is physics material. Don't do that, because now we're taking all the 2D functions. So take a physics 2D material, remember that, and set the bounciness to 1. I mean, sorry, he can't go 21. 1. Now you can drag the physics 2D to this awesome cube we have over here. Oh, here we go. We have a cube out here, and we got a physics 2D material. Well, that's great. That's quite a start now. Now when we click play button, let's see what's gonna happen. We got a bouncing ball. That's good. Okay, bouncing cube glitch. So anyway, it feels awesome in a beginner state, because if you're a beginner, it feels awesome. You can actually learn the physics which I used to learn like that one year before. So it's basically not 2D, but still. So the cube which we have is bouncing, but we want negative gravity. So let's take -1. So remember here, -1 means the gravity is going backwards. So if I don't place the code over the app, it will just go out of the screen, which we don't want. So let's keep it here. It quite looks cute. Then let's change the background to black. It's fun to see it in a blackish way. Here we go. Now it looks like a 2D retro game. So now when we hit play, it's really gonna look awesome. I mean, it's good. Yeah, look at that. It feels really awesome to control things. So guys, please subscribe this. I'm gonna promise that I'm gonna put awesome videos out there. So thanks for watching. Yeah, this is me, Dale Master.